Hello, Python developers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of essential Python libraries that can supercharge your development journey. If you're ready to level up your Python skills, stick around as we explore these must-know libraries. Let's jump right in. First on our list is NumPy. If you're working with data and numerical operations, NumPy is your go-to library. It provides support for large, multi-dimensional arrays and matrices, along with a collection of mathematical functions to operate on these arrays efficiently. From data manipulation to scientific compute, NumPy is a powerhouse. Next up, we have Pandas. For data analysis and manipulation, Pandas is a game changer. It offers data structures like data frames that make handling and analyzing structured data a breeze. Whether you're dealing with CSV files, Excel spreadsheets, or databases, Pandas simplifies the process and unlocks powerful data insights. Number 3 on our list is Matplotlib. When it comes to data visualization, Matplotlib is the go-to library. Create stunning charts, graphs, and plots with ease. Its versatility and customization options make it a favorite among developers for presenting data in a visually appealing way. Moving on, we have requests. If you're working with APIs or need to make HTTP requests, Requests is an essential library. It simplifies the process of sending HTTP requests and handling responses. Whether you're fetching data from a web API or interacting with a server, Request streamlines the communication process. And finally, for web development, Flask is a must-know library. It's a lightweight and easy-to-use framework for building web applications in Python. Whether you're a beginner exploring web development or an experienced developer creating APIs, Flask's simplicity and flexibility make it an excellent choice. There you have it, 5 essential Python libraries that every developer should know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your favorite Python libraries in the comments below, and stay tuned for more Python tips and tricks. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.